guys, got an awesome video coming to you. I went down to Tampa to help Adrienne get a pirate outfit. Then afterwards, we went to Ybor City just to get a cigar, have some Café, and then we just kind of checked out the sights. But I wanted to show you guys a video just in case you haven't been down to Ybor City. You really need to try it out. It is an awesome place to go. I would tell you though, stay frosty. Hopefully you know what that means. They do check you if you go into the bar. During the day is really light, not a whole lot going on. Just, you know, you get a chance to go and enjoy some cigars and things of that nature. But at night, yeah, it gets crazy. It gets kind of crazy during the day, just depending on when you go. All right, hope you guys enjoy this video. Take care.
Just say hey. Good.